Question number 151. All of the following features are similar in cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons except. So we have to find out a dissimilar feature between cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons. The very first option given is presence of renal corpuscles. As both cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons possesses renal corpuscles, so this cannot be a correct answer. Second option is presence of peritubular capillaries, as peritubular capillaries are present in both cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons, so this cannot be a correct answer. Third option is length of loop of Henle, and as based on this we can differentiate between cortical and juxtamedullary nephron, so this is a correct answer to our question, because the length of loop of Henle in cortical is too short and extend only very little into medulla, whereas in juxtamedullary nephron, the loop of Henle dips down into the medulla. It is deep in medulla. The last option is type of epithelium in PCT, and this is incorrect as the type of epithelium is brush bordered cuboidal epithelium in PCT of both cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 152. Select the false option with respect to dehydrated state of the human body. The very first option is release of stored ADH, antidiuretic hormone, from posterior pituitary occurs. And this is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer to our question. ADH or vasopressin is secreted from hypothalamus but stored in posterior pituitary. Second statement says release of ANF that causes vasodilation, and this is an incorrect statement and is a correct answer to our question, because during dehydration RAS mechanism operates, which is renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. This is operated by JG apparatus, and when there is fall in GFR or blood pressure or blood volume, whereas this is inhibited by A and F, which is atrial natriuretic factor. This opposes the regulation of RAS, and this is released in response to high blood volume or blood pressure. So the second option, in dehydrated state of human body, ANF is being released, is an incorrect statement. Third statement says high osmolarity eventually triggers release of renin from JG cells, is a correct statement, because when there is low GFR or blood volume, JG cell releases renin hormone. The last statement is contraction of arterioles and release of aldosterone is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer, because during this dehydrated state of human body there would be contraction of arterioles and release of aldosterone. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 153. Match column 1 and column 2 and choose the correct option. In column 1, the very first option is gout, and gout is inflammation of joints due to uric acid accumulation or depositions. So A in column 1 matches with second option, matches with third option in column 2. The second option in column 1 is uremia, and uremia is high level of urea in blood. So B matches with the first option in column 2. Third option is renal calculi, and renal calculi are stone of oxalate salts. So C in column 1 matches with second option in column 2. And the last option in column 1 is glomerulonephritis, which is inflammation of glomeruli of kidney. So D in column 1 matches with the fourth option in column 2. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. A matches with 3, B with 1, C with 2 and D with 4. So the correct answer is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 154. Mismatch among the following in humans is. The very first match is gliding joint and the match is between carpals. As it is a correct match, this cannot be a correct answer. Second option is pivot joint, which is present between atlas and axis, is also a correct match. So this cannot be a correct answer. Third option, hinge joint, is present between humerus and pectoral girdle, is an incorrect match and is a correct answer to our question. Because hinge joint is present in knee and elbow, whereas ball and socket joint is present between humerus and pectoral girdle. The last match is saddle joint, which is present between carpal and metacarpal of thumb, is also a correct match, so cannot be a correct answer. All the joints given in this option are of synovial joints. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 155. Which is a wrong match with respect to number of bones in humans? The very first option is parietal bone, and as it is a paired bone, so the number given is 2, which is a correct match, so cannot be a correct answer. Second option is sphenoid bone, as it is an unpaired bone, so the number given is 1, and as it is a correct match, this cannot be a correct answer. Stapes is an ear ossicle present in middle ear, and as it is also paired, 1 in each middle ear, so this is a correct match. The number given is 2, so this is a correct match and cannot be a correct answer. And the last option is floating ribs. There are 2 pairs of floating ribs, so the number should be 4. 4 in number, and as the number given in question is 2, so this is an incorrect match and is the correct answer to our question, which is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question.